We continue exercise 6.5 of maxima and minima. This is the question number 22. And a wire of length 28 meter. There is a wire of length 28 meter. AB is the wire of length 28 meter. Is to be cut into two pieces. Suppose the wire is cut into two pieces from point C. The wire is cut. The wire is cut into two pieces from point C. One of the pieces is to made into a square. From the piece AC, we made a square. We made a square. Or suppose from piece AC, we made a circle. And the other into a circle. And first is a square. And from part CB, we made a square. So AB is the length of the wire 28 meter, which has been cut into two parts from C. From part AC of the wire, a circle is formed, and from the wire BC, from the part of the wire BC, a square is formed. So what will be the length of the two pieces? The length of AC and BC we have to find, so that the combined area of the square which is formed and the circle which is formed, so their combined area is minimum. So let the length of the wire to which a circle is made is x, and the length of and the portion of the wire through a square is made will becomes 28 minus x. 28 मीटर लेंथ की वायर हमें गिवन है AB, उसे दो पीसेस में कट किया C पॉइंट से. AC पार्ट जो था, AC लेंथ था, उसे सर्कल हमने बना लिया और BC से हमने स्क्वायर बना लिया. तो पहली बात हमें ये फाइंड आउट करनी है कि दोनों पार्ट की लेंथ कितनी है. मैग्नीट्यूड, the length AC and the length BC, and also we have to prove that their combined area is minimum. This area of square plus area of circle, their combined area is minimum. So from the length of the portion AC, we have made a circle. So the circumference of the circle would be x. सर्कल की जो सर्कमफेरेंस होगी वो किसके इक्वल होगी? x के इक्वल होगी, क्योंकि x से हमने सर्कल फॉर्म किया है. सो सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल 2 pi r equals to x, and we find the value of radius r equals to x upon 2 pi. This is the radius of the circle, r equals to x upon 2 pi. Now we will find the area of the circle. Suppose A1 is the area of the circle. The area of the circle is pi r square. Pi, the value of r is x by 2 pi, the whole square. So we get pi x square upon 4 pi square. Pi and pi gets cancelled, and area of the circle comes to be x square upon 4 pi meter square. Area of the circle is x square upon 4 pi meter square. Now from the portion of the length BC, which is 28 minus x, a square is formed. So the perimeter of the square must be equals to 28 minus x. So perimeter of a square, is 28 minus x. And we know the formula for perimeter of a square, 4 into side equals to 28 minus x, and side of a square, side of a square is 28 minus x upon 4. And area of the square, so let A2 be the area of the square. So area, the formula for area of the square is side square. So we get A2 equals to 28 minus x the whole square upon 4 the whole square, 60 meter square. Now the combined area A equals to A1 plus A2. We have to prove that the combined area is minimum. Put the value of A1 and A2. The value of A1 is x square by 4 pi, and the value of A2 is 28 minus x the whole square upon 60. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So dA by dx, 2x by 4 pi and plus 2 into 28 minus x by 16, and differentiation of the term containing the bracket. Differentiation of 28 is 0 and differentiation of minus x is minus 1. So we get 2 to the 4 x by 2 pi and 2 8 just 16 plus minus minus 28 minus x upon 8. This is the combined area. And for maxima or minima, we will have to make the differential coefficient equals to 0. So for maxima or minima, make dA by dx equals to 0. It means x by 2 pi minus 28 minus x upon 8 equals to 0. From both the terms, this will be go on right side. So x by 2 pi equals to 28 minus x by 8, 2 4 ja 8, and by cross multiplication we get 28 pi minus pi x equals to 4x. This will go on right side. 28 pi equals to pi x plus 4x. Taking x as common, pi plus 4 equals to 28 pi, and the value of x is 28 pi upon pi plus 4. So we obtain the value of x comes to be 28 pi upon pi plus 4. Now we have to show that the combined area is minimum. So we must have to differentiate again. We will have to find the double derivatives. Means d2a by dx square. d2a by dx square will be calculated. The differentiation of x comes to be 1. Differentiation of x comes to be 1. So we get 1 by 2 pi minus 1 by 8, and differentiation of 28 minus x, its differentiation is 0, and differentiation of x is 1 minus 1. So minus minus plus 1 by 8. So which is greater than 0. which is greater than 0. Therefore, the area, combined area is minimum. We find that combined area is minimum. The combined area of a square and circle is minimum. Now we have calculated the side x. X is the length of the circle. What was the x? X was the length of the circle. So the length of the circle, the portion AC, we get 28 pi upon pi plus 4. Now the remaining length of the portion to which circle is made. Circle is made equals to 28 pi upon pi plus 4 and length of the portion. Length of the portion to which the square is made, and that length was 28 minus x. So we put the value of x 28 pi upon pi plus 4 by taking LCM. 28 pi plus 112 minus 28 pi upon pi plus 4. 28 pi cancel, and that portion is 112 pi. Pi plus 4 meter, and the portion of the length to which circle is made is 28 pi upon pi plus 4. Now let us see next question. Question number 23. Now we discuss question number 23. One of the most important question. Question number 23. Prove that the volume of the largest cone important question. Prove that the volume of the largest cone. Prove that the volume of the largest cone prove that the volume of the largest cone, the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere, that can be inscribed in a sphere. A cone is inscribed in a sphere, and the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere. The volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r. Of radius capital R. The radius of the sphere is capital R. Is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. is 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. 8 by 27 of the volume of the sphere. So a cone is inscribed in a sphere. Cone is inscribed in a sphere. ABC is a cone which is inscribed in a sphere. Cone ABC is inscribed in a sphere. This is the center of the sphere. So D is any point. D is any point. Let us take a point A, B, C. Let us take a point E at the base of the cone. At the base of the cone, we have taken a point D. At the base of the cone, we have taken a point E, and OC is the radius of the sphere, which is capital R. And let us suppose the radius of the cone is small r. The radius of the cone is small r, and let DE equals to h. DE equals to h. So let length of DE equals to h, and CE. CE is the radius of the cone, which is taken as small r, and OD is the radius of a sphere. OD is also the radius of a sphere, and OD is equals to capital R. So we find the value of OE. The value of OE. So OE can be written as OD minus DE, and the value of OD is R, the radius, and DE is, we have supposed h. So OE comes to be R minus h. OE comes to be R minus h. The value of OE h r minus h. Now we are interested to find the value of CE, the value of the radius r. So OEC is a right angle triangle. So in triangle OEC, which is a right angle triangle, this CE square equals to hypotenuse square means OC square minus perpendicular square, OE square. The value of CE is R square. The value of OC is capital R square, and the value of OE is R minus h bar. whole square. We solve this. So r square minus r square minus 2rh and plus h square. Remove the bracket. So r square minus r square plus 2rh and minus h square. And we get the value of r square 2rh minus h square. The value of r square is 2rh minus r square. Now the value of AE. What is the value of AE? This is r square we have calculated. Now the value of AE we calculate. So AE can be written as AD minus ED. AD minus ED. AE can be written as AD minus ED. And the value of AD is the diameter of the sphere. And the diameter of the sphere is 2r. And ED is the height which we have supposed. So we get the value of AE. AE equals to 2r minus h. Now we have to prove that the volume of the cone is largest. Means we have to prove the volume of cone is maximum. So write down the formula for volume of cone equals to volume of cone equals to 1/3 pi into r square. R is the radius of the cone into height of the cone. Height of the cone is AE. AE is the height of the cone into AE. So 1/3 pi. The value of r square we have calculated. So at the place of a small r, we write 2rh minus h square. And the value of AE also we have calculated. 2r minus h. The value of AE is 2r minus h. Now we remove the bracket. So volume equals to 1/3 pi. The bracket is removed by multiplying 2r and h to these two terms. So 2rh into 2r. This comes to be 4r square h minus plus minus minus 2r h square. 2r h square. 2rh minus h plus minus minus 2rh square and minus minus plus h cube. So we get volume equals to pi by 3 4r square h 4r square h minus 2h square r and 2h square 4h square r and plus h cube. This is the volume of the cone. We get the volume of the cone 4rh r square h minus 4h square r plus h cube. Now what we have given? We have given the radius r. Capital R is given. And the quantity which have given is a constant. So we can't differentiate with respect to r. R हमें क्वेश्चन में गिवन था और जो गिवन होती है वो कांस्टेंट होती है, उसके रेस्पेक्ट में हम डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करेंगे. तो वेरिएबल क्या है? जो हमने सपोज किया था हाइट DE, दिस इज द वेरिएबल. सो वी फाइंड dV by dH with respect to h, we differentiate. So dV by dH equals to pi by 3, and differentiation of 4r square h. 4r square is constant, so it gives 4r square. Differentiation of h is 1, minus differentiation of h square is 2h, so 8rh, and plus 3h square. Now for maxima or minima. For maxima or minima, we make dv by dh equals to 0. So this term becomes 0, and we get 4r square minus 8rh and plus 3h square equals to 0. Make its factor 6 and 2. 4r square minus 6rh minus 2rh plus 3h square equals to 0. From these two terms, 2r is common. So we get 2r minus 3h, and from these two terms, h is common. So 2r minus 3h equals to 0. So 2r minus 3h again common, and 2r minus h equals to 0. From here, 2r minus 3h equals to 0, and r equals to 3h by 2. We get r equals to 3h by 2, and the value of h is 2r by 3. And from this expression, we get h equals to 2r. So practically this is not possible. This is h. H can't be equals to twice of the radius. This is not possible. So we neglect this value and we take h equals to 2r by 3. Now we have to prove the maximum volume. So for maximum volume, we will have to differentiate again. This was the dv by dh. We will have to find d2v by dh square. Differentiation once again, double derivatives, d2v by dh square. So pi by 3 is constant term as it is taken outside. Differentiation of 4r square is 0, and differentiation of 3h square 6h, and differentiation of 8rh, this is minus 8r. So we get double differentiation h pi by 3 and pi by 3 and 6h minus 8r. Now put the value of h. So pi by 3, the value of h is 2r by 3. So 6 into 2r by 3 minus 8r. So it gives pi by 3. 3 into 2, 6, 4r minus 8r, minus 4r, which is less than 0. Double derivative is less than 0. It means the volume of cone is maximum. Volume of cone is maximum. Now we have to find that the volume of the cone is 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere. So the formula for volume of the cone, initial formula for the volume of the cone was pi by 3 and 2rh minus h square and 2r minus h. We replace h. So the value of h is 2r by 3. So pi by 3 2r into the value of h we put 2r by 3. H equals to 2r by 3 minus h square means 2r by 3 the whole square, 4r square by 9. We have substituted the value of h, 2r by 3, 2r into 2r by 3 minus h square means 2r by 3 the whole square, 4r square by 9, and again 2r minus h, 2r minus h, and the value of h is 2r by 3. Now we solve this expression. 5 by 3, this is 4r square by 3 minus 4r square by 9, and 3 into 2, 6r, 6r minus 2r, 4r by 3. 6r minus 2r, 4r by 3. So 5 by 3, LCM is taken. LCM of 3 and 9 is 9, and this is 12r square minus 4r square. 12r square minus 4r square and 4r by 3. Then we get 5 by 3, 12r square minus 4r square. This is 8r square by 9 into 4r by 3. And this is written as 8 by 9 into 3, 27. 8 by 27. 8 by 27 taken outside. So what remains? 4 by 3 pi r square into r2. 4 by 3 pi r2. And this is the 4 by 3 pi r2. This is the volume of the sphere. This is the volume of the sphere. So we get 8 by 27 times volume of the sphere. This has been proved. The volume of the core is 8 by 27 times the volume of the sphere.